Hi everyone, welcome to Mellori English Academy.
Hello, welcome back. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Yes, very happy. Today's topic is very useful.
Very, very useful. You will use this in real life. How to order food like a native speaker.
Today we will learn order food like a native speaker.
Not like a textbook, not like a robot, but like a real person.
Exactly. Before we start, if you want to improve your English,
And speak more naturally.
please like this video. It helps us grow and bring you more content. Thank you.
And subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Okay, Thomas, let's start simple. You are hungry. Imagine you go to a restaurant.
Yes, very hungry. What do you say?
I want burger. Is that okay?
Many students say, I want burger. It is okay, but it is not very polite.
Yes, it sounds a little direct.
Native speakers usually say, I'd like a burger.
Let's repeat together. I'd like a burger.
Again, I'd like a burger.
I'd like is very important.
Very important. You can use it for many things. Food, drinks, anything.
I'd like a coffee.
I'd like a sandwich.
I'd like water. Simple, easy, natural.
Okay, what if I want more than one thing?
Good question. I am very hungry.
Of course you are. I want a burger, fries, and a drink.
Then you can say, I'd like a burger, fries, and a soda.
Let's repeat. I'd like a burger, fries, and a soda.
Very natural. Now you try. Imagine you are in a restaurant. You want pizza and water.
Say it. I'd like pizza and water. Good job.
Thomas, native speakers also say something else, right?
Oh yes, very common. Repeat with us. Can I get?
Can I get a burger? So now you have two choices. I'd like or can I get?
Both are natural. Let's act. I'm the waiter. Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a burger and fries.
Anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like a soda.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. Let's repeat the key sentences.
I'd like a burger.
I'd like a soda.
Can I get fries?
That's all.
Let's talk about mistakes. Give me burger. That sounds a little strong.
Better to say, I'd like a burger.
Now think. You go to a coffee shop, you want coffee and cake. What do you say?
You can say, I'd like a coffee and cake.
Let's do one more full conversation. Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a pizza and water?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Great. You learned real English. Now you can order food with confidence.
Great job today. Simple, clear, natural, no stress.
Tell us in the comments, what food do you like and how would you order it in English?
Write your sentence. See you next time. Bye.
See you next time. Bye.